Hello everyone and welcome to our look at Spectracide Triazicide for killing lawn-damaging insects today. This powerful formula kills over 260 listed insects like ants, crickets, and armyworms. You receive a 10-pound bag of granules plus a large 40-ounce bottle of concentrate. The concentrate covers up to 25,000 square feet when mixed with water for easy application. These granules provide season-long control of ants to keep your outdoor spaces looking great all year. Simply water in the granules after application and let the area dry completely before using it. Once the lawn is dry, children and pets can safely return to enjoy the yard once again. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.